Removal. Remove the two 3mm T5 Torx head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Depending on the configuration of the notebook, you may need to remove the two 7mm T5 Torx head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Remove the rear rubber foot from the base enclosure. Remove the two 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Remove the base enclosure. Important: there are UMA and discrete versions of the base enclosure. Ensure the correct component has been ordered for the specific notebook being serviced. Important: before installing a base enclosure, remove the plastic hooks from the old base enclosure and install on the new base enclosure. Reverse this procedure to install the base enclosure.